The Colorful Confession, Pablo's Lesson in Truth. Hey there, young explorers. Are you ready for an exciting adventure today? Well, you're in for a treat because today's story is all about colorful magical forest, wise lessons, and a parrot named Pablo who learned something really important. In a vibrant, lush jungle, there lived a young and colorful parrot named Pablo. Pablo was known throughout the jungle for his stunning green and blue feathers and his clever ways. He could mimic the sounds of the jungle's creatures, and everyone loved listening to his playful chatter. One sunny morning, while Pablo was perched on a branch, he overheard the elder animals talking about a magnificent feast that was being organized by the wise old elephant, Allo. The feast was to celebrate the jungle's unity and harmony. Pablo's curiosity got the better of him, and he couldn't resist attending the feast. The problem was, only the elder animals were invited, and Pablo was still considered quite young by the jungle's standards. Pablo thought for a while and came up with a mischievous idea. He decided to disguise himself as an elder parrot so he could join the feast without anyone suspecting. He plucked a few gray feathers from a nearby tree and glued them onto his own colorful plumage. With his makeshift disguise, Pablo confidently flew to the feast. As he arrived, the elder animals welcomed him, thinking he was just another elder parrot. Pablo couldn't believe his luck as he savored the delicious fruits and listened to the wise tales shared by the elders. However, as the feast went on, Pablo's conscience began to trouble him. He realized that he had lied about his age and identity to be a part of the celebration. He felt like a fraud among the respected elders. His guilt grew heavier with each passing moment. Just when he thought he couldn't bear the guilt any longer, the wise old elephant, Allo, approached him. She looked into his eyes and said, "Young parrot, I see the truth in your eyes. You are not an elder, are you?" Pablo felt his heart racing, but knew he couldn't lie to Allo. With a heavy heart, he confessed, "No, Allo, I am not an elder. I'm just a young parrot who wanted to be part of this wonderful celebration." The jungle fell silent as the animals listened to Pablo's confession. Allo nodded and said, "Pablo, honesty is a rare and precious thing. You made a mistake, but you had the courage to admit it. That takes great strength of character." Pablo felt a mixture of relief and anxiety as he awaited Allo's judgment. Allo then surprised him by saying, "You may not be an elder, but today you've shown the wisdom of one. You are welcome to stay and celebrate with us." Tears welled up in Pablo's eyes as he realized the importance of honesty. He had learned that it's always better to be true to oneself and others, even if it means facing the consequences of one's actions. From that day forward, Pablo was admired not just for his colorful plumage, but also for his honesty and courage. And so, the young parrot, Pablo, learned the significance of honesty and the importance of being true to oneself. And he lived his life with integrity and respect in the vibrant jungle.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this fantastic adventure. Don't miss out on more exciting and educational videos like these. Hit that like button, watch, and be sure to subscribe our channel for a world of captivating stories, rhymes, fun facts, and creative learning.